Hey, thanks for clicking on this video. If you want to watch me mend these pants, then keep watching. So this is a pair of pants that I got from Goodwill. And they were $5, and I really like this style because they're comfortable. And there was one thing about them right here. The elastic at the ankle has a tear. So this I'm gonna mend. That'll be super easy. And then one other thing with this style of pants that you have to pay attention to is the crotch, because the fabric's usually really thin and is usually prone to tearing if you're somewhat active or do yoga, which usually people who wear these pants do. But there is a loose area here. There we go. So I'll probably just run through the entire crotch line seam with my sewing machine. I just finished mending this part of the elastic. I did a very rustic stitch because I like it to be natural and more of a piece of art than perfection. But now the elastic is very tight and it's not going to go anywhere. Here we have my 1985 Singer sewing machine. This is the sewing machine that I actually learned how to sew on. Thanks, Mom. And when my mom got a new sewing machine, she decided to gift me this one, and it still works, and I love it so much. I'm gonna lay out my pants and fix up the crotch area, make sure it's extra sturdy before I start doing splits in it. So here's the completed seam. Once again, not aiming for perfection. So I think this is gonna hold up. There was already a seam here. There weren't any holes yet, but I figured if I just went over the seam that was here, it would give it some longer life because it was starting to show some weakness. So I'm gonna pop these pants on and show you what they look like.
TNA.